Patuloy sa ating mga balita. Kinilala ng Bureau of Local Government Finance sa Maguindanao del Norte Provincial Government dahil sa outstanding performance ng lalawigan sa Real Property Tax Administration. Sa buong BARMM, nanguna ang probinsya pagdating sa market value at assessed value. Ang News Now sa report.
Magaling kasi yung assessor natin. So that's why they just finished the entire job dun sa pag-assess ng properties. And I think it's just but fair because if you look into the entire province, Sultan Kudarat has the biggest industrial factory, like the Labsan. No? It's a billion worth factory kung kaya nauna kami sa. Kaya hindi masabi ng tao na walang development sa Because of peace and order, lumaki ang Lamsan because their trust. I hope so na magkaroon kami ng cooperation with BARM para makumbinsi natin yung mga investors. It will really impact the fact that nagkaroon tayo ng ganung status. Ibig sabihin, magandang mag-invest dyan sa Maguindanao Norte. Well, progress, of course. At saka yun because that's the only way, I believe, no? Pagka marami tayong industries dyan, people will live, magkaroon ng working, works for the job for the people. And it will not be only for Maguindanao Norte. Kahit ibang taga-probinsya siguro, papasok lang. Like Lamsan, no? Karamihan at trabante dyan, hindi lang taga-Sultan Kudarat. So it will be helping not only the people of Maguindanao Norte, but other provinces also, those who want to be working if there will be industry in Sultan Kudarat.